Hey there, this is Sharon with simplycanning.com, where you can find home canning tips, tutorials, and advice taught in a way that even a beginner can get their pantry filled. So I have another canning chat for you today, and this is regarding applesauce. This letter is from Jan in Pennsylvania. So she asks, can Splenda be used to can applesauce? My granddaughter is a diabetic, but she loves applesauce. I did a little research on Splenda, and Splenda is okay to use with canning. I'll go ahead and put a link to the article. I did the whole research, so please check that out. I have to say, I don't like Splenda personally. I don't think it's good for you. I do realize diabetics though have some dietary restrictions, and they like sweeteners every once in a while too. But really, applesauce is one of those things that I think is sweet enough without adding any sweetener to it. So applesauce, sugar is optional. So I would actually highly recommend that you don't add any sweetener to your granddaughter's applesauce. You might take the Splenda and use it for some other things that really need that extra sweetness, but applesauce is pretty sweet in itself, and so try to make the applesauce just without the sugar, and I think you're going to have better luck. I hope that was helpful. You guys have a great day, and we will see you in the next canning video. Be sure and check out simplycanning.com, and I will see you there. Talk to you later.